is sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise men keeping watch, now it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm, and the star will always shine. It's the season for all time, walking in our...
You know you need coffee when you make a coffee and forget to put in the coffee. I just got a cup of hot water here. Wow, let's go for a double spoon.
Now let us focus on the holidays, having fun, coming together with the family.
Here's a better look at the pajamas that Benefit got me for my birthday. They are, honestly, they are so soft and so comfortable, and I slept like a freaking baby in them. I feel, I don't know, I feel like I'm naked, but that my skin's like mad soft. The bottoms are a little bit big. The bottoms are a little bit big, but I don't want to tie these up because then they'll be like a knot and I lie on my front. So I don't know how long they're gonna last me for. But the top, it doesn't matter if it's a bit too big. It's so comfortable. Oh my god, I look so tired. Now I bet you are wondering, Emma, what fun and festive plans do you have today? What riveting and exciting experiences are you going to share with us in today's vlog? Wow, hold on to your nipple tassels. It's pretty intense. Between 8 and 9, I'm getting a Tesco delivery. And then at 5:30, I've got a PT session, my first one in a week. And I've eaten so much crap over the past few days. Obviously it was my birthday, so no regrets, but I did go a bit overboard. Like I had a Macca's, I ate like 4 pieces of birthday cake, I had a donut last night, we went out for dinner last night, I had a starter and a main, 3 mince pies. I ate a lot more sugar than my body is used to because I don't really eat a lot of sugar anymore. So, but first I need to edit yesterday's vlog, so I'll see you in a bit. And would you look at that sunrise? Oh my goodness. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh my, wow. Oh, I didn't realise I'd zoomed in so much. That is one really lovely thing about me waking up so early these days. Stunning, 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 stunning. Not in focus though. Not stunning enough to focus on me. We're back in the dressing gown because my nipples are so erect that they will poke the delivery driver's eye out and it is bloody freezing. The dressing gown is back. Honestly, I don't think I've worn a dressing gown more in my life than I have in these vlogs. I was never a dressing gown gal until this one came into my life, and loads of you have asked me where it's from. It was from Missguided, but Benefit gifted it to me, so I assume they still sell it on the Missguided website, but it was a gift from Benefit on a trip, so I hope it's still available because it's the best, and I kind of want to buy a backup because you know when you start washing a dressing gown and it loses its like teddy bear softness, I never want that to happen because this is the best dressing gown in the world. So I just got a message from the carpet man. So as you guys know, I spoke about it at the beginning of Vlogmas, I'm getting my carpet done on the stairs, and I wanted to get it, it was supposed to be done at the end of last week, but the painter didn't finish his job and didn't paint my stairs, which means I had to cancel the carpet man, which really pissed me off. So I'm now gonna have to paint the stairs because it just needs to get done. So at some point this week I need to paint the stairs so I can get the carpet man in before Christmas. So I need to call him, give him a ring and find out when he's available, and then based on when he's available is when I need to paint the stairs. Do you get me? Because he just emailed me to let me know that my carpet has been made and has been delivered to the shop, which is very exciting. I just wish this had been done at the end of last week, like was planned. Oh. No hard feelings. Also, my God, I smell amazing. Honestly, I've now spoken about this in 3 vlogs. Boheme. This perfume ain't cheap. It's from Diptyque. I think it's like £150 or something. So I put it on my birthday Christmas list because I got a little mini sample of it when I bought my usual Diptyque perfume, which is my everyday. I've bought 3 bottles of it now, Eau Dwell. And I got a little sample of that, and I've described it as, it's like Sweetheart from Ghost in like 10 years. Like, she's matured, she's sassy now, and she's a little bit warmer, a little bit richer, and a little bit less sweet, but still has that like sweetness to it. And honestly, I sprayed it in my hair last night. Oh my God, and every time I move my head I can smell it. It smells incredible. I smell amazing, amazing. If you want to get someone a really lovely present for Christmas, I don't know whether, you know, sweet smells are to their taste, but if you know someone who used to wear Sweetheart by Ghost, then I think it would be such a great present. Also, I have decided to keep this up throughout the festive period. I'll have to take it down when the guys do the carpet because that'll just be completely in their way, but I'm just saying it's a Christmas decoration because honestly, I mean, it just adds a level of pizzazz, doesn't it, to the abode. If you need a new perfume, I recommend it. Go buy it. I smell so good. I've also been thinking, I just missed my pocket entirely. I've also been thinking about where I want to keep all my perfumes, what I want to do. I feel like I really have my flat decorating cap on at the moment, which is great because it was definitely not my priority for the past 6 months. Obviously I was traveling and just away and working, and it just wasn't really at the top of my priority list for the end of this year. But since coming home, it's literally all I've wanted to do. So I've ordered a unit to go here and to cover this radiator, just like a little reclaimed wood unit, and I think that's where I'm going to keep my perfumes because I always have to wear perfume, and so often I'll like come upstairs, I'm about to leave, and then I'll realise I haven't put perfume on and I'll run back downstairs and put it on. So I think if I just store my perfume there, the only issue is that the radiator is there and you're not supposed to get them, like, you're not supposed to get them hot. So maybe I don't know. And I'm gonna have a little place for my keys and my wallet. At the moment I hang my bag here, or I just put all my crap on the island, which isn't ideal because if I put it on like the breakfast bar thing, I can't eat breakfast there because it just gets covered in crap. This situation will hopefully fix that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that ramble. I'm just waiting for the Tesco man. I have literally ordered the same things that I always order. My Tesco deliveries are so boring, so I probably won't show you what I got. Maybe if I got anything different, but I really don't think I did. I think I just got the same thing I always get. I'm watching Helen's Vlogmas now while I drink my coffee, and then I'm gonna edit my own because I just couldn't bring myself to do it yet. Hooray! I have food, finally! Wait, I'm sure I ordered toilet paper. I didn't order my toilet paper. We got tomatoes, cashews, blueberries, baby cucumbers, rice cakes, avocado, carrots, hummus, corn chicken, and some other stuff. I just realised I gave you guys like a mini little living room tour yesterday, and I didn't show you my new light that my dad put up the other day. I really like it. It's very 20s. It's quite like Gatsby. It's quite small for the room, but I like that it's hanging quite low. Just like a little pendant. Pretty simple. It doesn't need to be super bright because I have a couple of different light sources in this room. There's 3 lamps, so this one doesn't have to be enormous because once, I'll show you, because once all of these are on, there's like a light here a light here, and then a couple of like dimmer lights over here. There's plenty of light, you know. But yeah, I hadn't shown you that. I really like it. And it looks pretty reflecting up there. I love these bookends so much. That was a tight squeeze because there's so much bloody booze in my fridge that's just been left here. My jelly collection. Madness. I just got a delivery from the lovely people at Beauty Bay. We got some stick-on nails that actually look quite a lot like mine. The Watermelon Aqua Sleeping Mask, which I'm actually going to try now. I've got the Nikki Tutorials and Ofra Space Baby Highlighter. I got the Isle of Paradise Self-Tanning Drops. And I've got here the Going Out Beauty Bay palette. Oh, and I love these. The Forget Me Not Unicorn Lashes. Now, I already have this. I don't need stick-on nails. I've got the tanning drops, and I don't need this palette. So I'm going to do a little giveaway for you guys. All you got to do is be subscribed to my channel. I will be checking, so you got to be subscribed to my channel. Got to follow my Instagram account, both my regular Instagram and my home account, and leave a comment on this video saying I'd like to be entered into the giveaway, and then anything else that you want to say. And I'll pick the winner on Friday and announce it in the vlog. So you guys will find out on Saturday. Oh, and also leave your Instagram, because that's how I'll message you. I'll message you over Instagram to let you know if you've won. Cool. So leave a comment with your Instagram, follow my Instagram, follow my home account, and also subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Cool. Good luck. And I'll probably throw in a few extra goodies as well for you guys, but I'll keep them as a surprise. It says sleeping mask, but I don't need to leave my house for another couple of hours, so ooh. I actually don't like watermelon, which is ironic. Here I go in with a watermelon mask, but I've heard there have been, I don't know why I use that. There have been so many watermelon skincare products recently that I feel like it's only right that I actually give it a go, you know? Use the spatula and apply an appropriate amount on the face. Who is the judge of what's appropriate? Down the neck. Okay. My skin feels hydrated. That little pink box is whoever's going to win the giveaway's prize. I just put it together and that box is full. Get you guys ready for party season. There is a smudge on this lens. Tomorrow I am meeting a lady that I've wanted to meet for a really long time, and I'm doing something a little bit out of my comfort zone. I'm going for a photo shoot with Alex Cameron, and I'm super excited. We're doing a confidence shoot, which is kind of one of the things she's quite well known for. I'll talk a little bit more about it tomorrow, because right now I'm not 100% sure of the plan. I'm not going to be wearing very many clothes, I don't think. My Instagram is suddenly going to get a little bit of an upgrade or a downgrade. It depends how you see it. But I'm super, super excited. I am a little bit nervous. It is like unbelievably rare that I'll have a picture taken of me by someone who's not, like, by something that's not just like a phone camera, and I'll like it. Like, I never ever 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 like pictures that people take of me that are like professional photographers, ironically enough. So we'll see how this goes. I've seen her work, I love her work, and I think she's incredible and makes people look amazing. So I know she'll do her best with me, but no, I've just never liked any pictures that any photographers have really ever taken of me. And it's not a comment on the photographer, I don't think. I think it's just me not liking how I look in the pictures. So I guess we'll see what I think tomorrow. So I promise tomorrow I'm going to be not in a dressing gown. I'm going to leave my house, because I have been kind of housebound for the past 3 days. I'm going a little bit stir crazy. It is so bloody dark today. I'm trying to open my advent calendar, but it's so dark. So for Nivea, we have the Nivea Bye Bye Dry Skin Nourishing Face Mask. And I think it's a little double sachet, so you get 2 in there. 2 uses. Oh god, beer pong balls everywhere. And from Glossybox, the Sleek Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in Birthday Suit. I already have this, so this can go in the giveaway. Yum, 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 yum. I gotta go. I'm running so late for PT. I can't find my headphones. Do I have my house key? Yes, that's all I need. Headphones, water, phone. I'm not gonna film it because I'm running late, but I'll see you guys when I get back. I love the gym. I was in such a bad mood. I felt like I was being really unproductive, and then I go to the gym and I just feel 10 times better. It's the same every time. It always happens. I'm always like, oh, I've not achieved anything today. I've been so unproductive, and then I go to the gym. I see Monica's little face and I'm like, everything's gonna be okay. Tim was supposed to be staying in London tonight, but he's actually coming home, which is really nice. So I think we're gonna watch something. We're gonna watch TV. I don't know what we're gonna watch. Maybe a Mr. Robot, or maybe a 7 Continents, 1 Planet. My vote's 7 Continents, 1 Planet, but we'll see what actually happens, because as we know, Tim seems to think he has control over my TV. Bitch. It's that time of year again. Every year around Christmas, Santa comes around on a float around the towns near me, and he's literally screaming. He's on a float, and then they come and knock on, it's for charity, and they come and knock on the door for change. So I've got some change ready. Here we go. Upstairs just got knocked, which means I'm next. Maybe they don't know my house is here. It is kind of hidden at the back. Hi, have you just bumped into Santa? He's doing the rounds on his float. I'm going to tell you a ghost story. So we just watched an episode of Mr. Robot. Oh my god. I had like a proper space out then. We watched an episode of Mr. Robot and an episode of 7 Continents, 1 Planet. And we only have 2 left, and we've been really savouring them because David Attenborough is my hero. And I can't waste his stuff, and I will rewatch all of it probably within the next year. I've seen the new Blue Planet like 4 times through. I watch it when I'm bored, I watch it when I'm sad, I watch it when I'm ill, I watch it when I'm on my period.
I already did it on your email.
Just send it to me. Tim's doing his Christmas list, which is apparently a very difficult task.
It is hard. I never buy stuff myself, not like you who buys £1 million of stuff every day.
Are you looking for a fight? I'll fight you. You know I'd win. I can't put in what Tim just said.
Ball set.
My bollock. Anyway, I need to go to bed because I need to be up very early in the morning because I've got a lot to do before I get the 10:45 train. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the confidence shoot. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. And you'll see it on my Instagram soon. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Good night.